Welcome to this video guide on the Samsung Galaxy hierarchy. We'll break down the S, A, and M series to help you understand which device best fits your needs. Samsung categorizes their Galaxy devices into three main groups: S for high-end performance, A for everyday value, and M for maximum battery life. The S series represents the flagship tier. These phones are built with premium materials like titanium and Gorilla Glass armor, featuring advanced displays that reduce eye strain. This series is designed for power users and photographers. With 7 years of software support and superior optical zoom capabilities, it is a premium, long-term investment. Next is the A series, which focuses on awesome value. It brings premium features to the mainstream market, utilizing durable, reinforced polycarbonate materials. The A series is ideal for everyday consumers. It offers 6 years of updates, smooth performance, optical image stabilization, and a 120 Hz display refresh rate. The M series is built for maximum utility. These devices are true battery powerhouses, prioritizing endurance and essential functionality for the user on the go. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the M series is perfect for commuters and students. It provides core reliability and 3 to 4 years of software updates. When comparing your options, consider your priorities. The S series offers top-tier performance, the A series balances cost and features, while the M series focuses on battery longevity. The final verdict? Choose by utility. The A56 5G is a great champion for most, while the S series remains the go-to for those seeking the ultimate premium experience.